Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to review this Tenda AC23 router with AC2100 technology. So off the bat, I'm going to tell you this is worth the money because of this technology. You can see this is what you call beaming technology. So it pinpoints your devices, so it increases the range, and also what you call this give dedicated signals, so you will have a really fast connection, really stable connection. So in the unboxing, this is the box. This is in Chinese, so you have to rely on the what you call this the YouTube on the web to configure this, but this is auto configure, so this is very easy to configure. Just put it on the one. So this is the technology, the AC2100. It is dual band 5G and 2.4G. It also has options of unification. So now I'm going to show you the router. So as you can see, this is the router. It has 7 antenna. It's color black. It looks like a mini UFO, mini drone. So with these 7 antennas, I'm sure you will have a very good Wi-Fi connection. So for the price of 1,898 in Lazada, and if it is going to be on sale on 6/6, I think you will have a good return for your money on this item. So the benchmark for this 7.6 dBi antenna is 3 walls, so it will penetrate 3 walls. Imagine that. So you will have stable internet connection even in your room. So this is the cable with it. It is a Cat6 cable. This is a Cat6 UTP cable. So you will use it to connect the internet, your one port. So I'm going to show you here. You will put the UTP cable here on the one port. Then also this has gigabit ports. These are gigabit ports to support your, if you have desktop that it's wired connection, but for the internet it's on the blue one. So this is it. This is the overall appearance of the router. So which for 3 wall penetration, this is really good. This is where the LED is, so it's really compact. It has also 3 chip architecture, so it can really process your internet more and increase, and that's why it has stable speed. So this is the adapter. It has auto volt. It is 100 to 240, so it doesn't matter where you put it, it will turn on without any problems. So that's about the whole package. Because inside, let me open the box for you. Inside the box, this is the package. So as you can see, it is placed here in the brown box with the manual, the useless manual with the Chinese, all Chinese. This is all in Chinese, so you have to rely really on the internet. But this is very easy to configure if you use the web application. So from your Google Store and App Store, you can download the Tenda Wi-Fi app, so you can configure this in English compared to this one. So this is garbage. You can't do anything with this manual aside from the QR code probably. So this is the plug. It's also included in the box. So aside from that, there's nothing. So I will return this back. So overall, this has a strong signal, low ping, fast internet speed, good traffic management, and is worth your money. So I recommend that you buy it. This one, this router is really good based on the initial checking. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can configure this on your internet. So you will place the UTP cable here on the one, so like this one. You will put it there. on the one port. Then the other end, you will see on the back of your main router from your PLDT Converge, it will have a gigabit connection on the back, the same as the three on the other three. On this one, you will plug it on that side, any of this side, then it will automatically broadcast a connection to that when you use the App Store application. So since this is new, there is no password. It automatically detects it. Then here you will place the Wi-Fi password. So anything, you can put it anything on there. So for me, I'm just putting the password. Then after you put your password, you can press OK. Then it will enable. So this is what I'm telling you. This is auto configure. It automatically detects that you are dynamic IP. So you don't have to change anything inside your main router and this router. So now, because we changed the password, we are now required to connect to the new internet connection. So for that, you have to go to your Wi-Fi, then check the Tenda connection, click it, then on the initial login, don't put any password yet, just click join. And since we are configuring this initially, you don't need to put any password. It will connect you automatically like that. Okay, then switch to the router, to the Tenda Wi-Fi application. Then here you will place the password that you put initially. So you can control the server. You have to log in using that. Then once you populated that, you will get in. This is the application. This is my phone. So now you can explore the tools section. So once you click tools, you will see the other options. The internet info, this one, the Wi-Fi name and password. You can change that also, but this is cool. It is the accelerate Wi-Fi, so it automatically detects the Wi-Fi on the vicinity because it has interference, etc. Then it will optimize. It will automatically change channel. It will detect your phone, and it can pinpoint your phone. For example, you are in your room, it can detect that and optimize so that you can have the good connection that you need. So that's the best option there, the accelerate Wi-Fi. So there are also other, you have guest network there. When you expand, there are internet settings. So we are using the HCP, so it automatically sets the HCP. So I'm going to check now the speed test. So to check if I have a good internet connection, so because I apply for fiber plans, but we have only VLAN, so this is the connection we are having. 93.2 download, but it should be 100, but the router can only bring up to 90 plus. So but this is the the average connection. So I am going to test it now on my room. I'm going to my room. Normally I don't have a good connection there. When I play Mobile Legends, it's lagging, but now I'm going to try it now. So you can see good ping, and I'm still getting the full blast connection, the 93.3 connection. So this is really good, especially I have around 2 to 3 concrete walls here that is interfering. So before, the PLDT router can't reach my room, so when I need to play, I have to go out on the living room. But now I can play in my room, and that's why it's a very good buy. So now I'm going to show you the actual pictures of the finished configuration. So don't mind my cabling, but here's the 1 port. Then you place it on the gigabit port of your PLDT router. Then it will automatically broadcast the internet connection. So I need to fix the cabling, but so thank you for watching this video, and to help me create more videos like this, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel so I can monetize this and I can buy these gadgets and probably more higher gadgets than this one. So thank you and have a good day.